Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave. Real quick, gonna wet my face. Got 3 days worth of growth, and boy do I need a shave. Today I'm going to be doing Christmas in August. That's right. I'm going to be using PAAI Gingerbread Man. If you guys have seen this on the channel, it's been, I think, a couple of years since I did it. And if you like the smell of gingerbread cookies, this scent is for you. Today's razor, I'm going to be using the Prismatic by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And I already have that loaded up with a Gillette super thin blade. And I have the lather already made as well in this beautiful Captain's Choice copper bowl. And today's brush is one that was made by Chris over at DE Razor Shaving. And if you can't really see it, this is a Jim Beam barrel shot glass and a Badger knot. I will put a link to his channel in the description box below. I was watching one of his videos a while back, and he had a giveaway going. And I can't remember exactly how the details were for entering, but I entered into the thing and I've got terrible luck. So I was quite shocked when I won. And I have not, this is the first time I've used it, and it's a very nice, soft Badger knot. I did do my normal break-in routine with it. And if you guys haven't seen that particular video, in the description box below, I'll have a how to break in a Badger knot or boar brush. I can't remember how it was titled, but you'll see it when it's down there. Gonna warm up the razor here. Got a bowl full of hot water. And let's get going with pass number 1. That's taking her right home now. As you can see, my lather is a little bit thicker today. I used a little bit less water because I wanted to feel the difference. And this particular blade feels a little bit rougher, but it might be because I've got a little bit of extra growth. One would think a sharper blade would be smoother. But there has been some debate on that topic. Some say a sharper blade will give a harsher feeling, while others say a sharper blade is smoother. Comment below and let me know what's your opinion on a sharp blade. Ah, yes, I can see the little islands of lather floating in my bowl. That tells me it's a little thicker. Still pretty nice lather. Yeah, you can see how it's thicker because the peak kind of stands out a little bit more. This This particular soap has a pretty strong scent to it. It's almost where you could not use the splash. No problems rinsing the razor out though. Very nice, close shave, just like I like it. Thinking about tomorrow, another trip to the doctor's office. I don't look forward to that. My doctor's office is 2 hours and 30-minute drive. And I will be having my wife driving because my right leg is the problem leg. That's the gas and brake pedal, in case you don't know. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. Scott, I remembered the old ice cube tube stick, whatever I want to call it, because the name always changes. So nice. Oh yeah, knocked it down, very presentable. I do have the matching splash. Give that a little shake here. It's got the old restrictor, plastic restrictor in there. Nothing like Christmas in August. I will put a little picture right here of everything I used. And I'd like to say thank you to Chris for doing the giveaway and allowing me to be the winner with the magical touch. I don't remember how he did it, if he drew numbers or did the digital thing, but anyway, I won, and I wanted to say thank you, Chris. I've been meaning to do a video for a while with this particular brush, just haven't got around to it, but I did today. So that's the shave for the day, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.